Let's make some avocado toast in our Airbnb in Mexico. We're in a place called Oblatos, which is a neighborhood of Guadalajara, and I'm staying in an Airbnb. This is a rather new Airbnb, and I just wanted to show you their hot plate. This is an RCA hot plate. It is an induction cooker, so you have to have a pan that works. It did come with the pan. Well, you had to buy the pan separately, but the Airbnb has the pan for you. So these hot plates are standard fare here in Airbnbs and in Mexico. This is actually kind of a fancy one because this Airbnb I'm staying in has just been remodeled. I'm the first person to stay in it, and I have a video up of the whole Airbnb, a review for it, so you can check that. I'll have it linked somewhere, comments, probably in the description. Who knows? You'll find it. Anyway, let's try to use it. First of all, it's in Spanish, so like I said, hot plates are normal in Mexico for, people that live here. This, like I said, this is a fancy one. It's still not that expensive. It's probably about $75, US $75. So it's not that bad if you wanted one at your house. But, I mean, it's definitely expensive for the Mexican people, I think. So I don't know what it says because it is in Spanish. I do know leche is milk, agua is water, sopa is soup, something caliente, hot something. This is function. I got that much. So we're just gonna, I guess, start pushing buttons. Got me some bread here that I cut. Let's see. It says on. I'm gonna hit function. Okay, there we go. Something happened. Hola caliente. Alright, hot. That's good. We're gonna put some oil in our pan. This is a little bit of ghee. I travel with it so that I can have. Oh, it's saying it's cutting off. Maybe. Oh, yep. You have to have the pan on the oven to get it to work. Take it off for just a second. Does not work without the pan on. This is 900 degrees. Get it a little hotter. You can hear a fan. I'm not sure where the fan's coming from. It is not movable, so it is stuck to the countertop. I don't see any like plug. There's no plug. Like here's a blender, and there's a plug into the blender. There's no plug up here, so I'm not really sure how this works. It's pretty neat. It's pretty fancy. Now it's saying it's 1,000 degrees. I don't know. It's not toasting my bread really. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but they are doing construction outside. It's real annoying. It woke me up this morning, and I'm rather pissed about it, but you can watch my full video for that. I do understand they have to work, but it's like, I mean, this Airbnb wasn't cheap. I mean, it wasn't expensive, but okay, I hear something going on and I smell something, so. Oh, it's toasting. The Airbnb is about, look, there's some smoke coming off. It's about, I think it was $22 a night, which is kind of expensive, especially for this neighborhood. We're kind of in the hood. But it did have air conditioning, and I did have a embryo transfer, and I wanted to make sure I was going to be comfortable. So I was willing to pay a little more. But honestly, no one told me that this shit would be going on and people would be drilling all day. Alright, toast looks done. Ran over. Okay, so we got it to work. And I'm gonna put some avocado on it. Make some avocado toast. Let me know. Have you ever seen one of these before? Man, what do you think about it? I think it's awesome, but I just want to know, like, how does it work? Like, what is it plugged into? Is it it's not really a hot plate. Like, is it I don't know what the hell it is. I think it's really neat. It's kind of just blowing my mind. I guess we should cut it off. Did we cut it off? I think we already cut it off. On, off. Okay, and then here's a lock, I guess, for niños and niñas. This is how you change the temp. Oh, no, this is a timer. Oh, that's cool. Okay, well, yeah. Have you ever stayed at an Airbnb with one of these? Is it like, I actually looked it up online on the Mexican Amazon, the Mercado Libre, to see. And like I said, it was about $75 US. Like, does it have to be installed? Is it plugged in somewhere? Like, I think it's really cool. Well, anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I have over 250 videos on living and staying in Guadalajara, so make sure you check them out. Let me know down in the comments if you have ever seen something like this. We're living in the future, guys. We're living in the future.